In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a video file to another format absolutely for free. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So we're going to come over to the website video-converter.com. So it's video-converter.com. The next thing that you're going to do is open your file. So my one here is an mp4 format, and it was a video that I created previously. Now we can convert this into mp4, AVI, MPEG, MOV, FLV, and all of these other ones here. And you can see there's even more of them here. You can also do it to Samsung, BlackBerry, Nokia, and all that kind of stuff there. Now we can also just convert it to an mp3, which would be just a straight up audio file. We can create it to a WAV. We can turn it into an iPhone, ringtone, or all these other ones here, okay? You can also make the resolution HD or HD 1080p, or you can make it whatever resolution it is that you want to create it into. I recommend creating it in the best resolution possible, which is HD 1080p. So once you have selected one there from the list, and you have created the best resolution possible, then you just go on convert, and it's going to work on this and convert this absolutely for free into whatever format that you have selected. So super simple method for you today, how to convert your YouTube file into a different, how to convert your video file into a different file type absolutely for free. So if you could go and hit that subscribe button, guys, that would really help me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.